Okay, so to get started, I already washed my hair. I always start wash and go off on freshly washed hair. It's the only way. But one of the most important things that I want y'all to take away from this video, besides the style, is testing the products out, okay? Because before I was doing this video, I went through like my products and I was trying to see like what I wanted to use today. And honestly, I wanted to use some other products, but they didn't mix well together. So I'm gonna show y'all how you can determine if your products mix well. I've shown it before, but I'm gonna show it again just for the sake of the video, because I don't want y'all to be mixing products and then now your hair is flaky, or you know, the white flakes. I don't like that. That's not cute. And I already have dry scalp, so my hair is gonna probably flake on its own, so I don't need no added help in that department. I knew I wanted to use this gel, so whatever products I picked up, they had to mix well with this gel. So this is the base of my wash and go, and I'm just gonna get a little bit and put it on the back of my hand like this. So just like that. Today I know that I am gonna be using this mousse for my wash and go. I'm gonna try it out. I've never did a wash and go with mousse only. So I'm gonna try it out with this mousse. So what I did was I took a little bit out and I'm just gonna put a little bit like that. So I'm gonna mix these together to make sure they mix. Now, when you mix them, they should come out to like a creamy consistency. So let's see. And if it lumps up, that means it's not mixing well. So y'all see how creamy that is? It's smooth. It should be smooth just like that. Now I know that the gel and the mousse mix well together. So another tip is to know the type of hair you have. So I have dry hair, I have dry scalp, and my hair absorbs all the moisture. So I have to use like heavy butters, heavy creams and stuff like that on my hair. So I have to have a moisturizer when I do my wash and go. I cannot do it without moisturizing my hair, or it will look very dull and dry. So I'm gonna be trying to mix this Design Essentials leave-in conditioner. This is just something that I have been had around for a minute and I want to use it. And since I was using this one, I was like, well, I might as well use two of the same companies. So I'm gonna put a little bit right here, just like that. And then we're gonna mix this and see if it mixes well with these two products. And as y'all can see, smooth, no clumping. That means these three products are safe to use. So let's go ahead and start styling my hair. a lot, but like, look at my curls. This is just foam and gel. Foam and gel only. So I don't know, it depends on how it dries. This may be my new little combo. But yeah, it's looking really good. So all I'm doing is making sure that each section is like damp a little bit. Not like soaking wet, but maybe a little wet. So I spray it down with some water each section, and then I go in with my foam. Now look at how my hair looks. Y'all see how frizzy this is? Yeah, real frizzy, right? So when you put the foam on there, it's like it just activates the curls, and then the gel kind of makes it whole. So just comb it through, and look at my curls. Look at how they like just coming together. And then put the gel on top, and I make sure I gel the ends of my hair. I'm just like pulling them apart, pulling some of them out. And you can add more gel, more foam as you like. I just don't want it to be a whole lot, because keep in mind, like, the more product you put in your hair, the more longer it's gonna take for it to dry. Y'all see how they look? So once I finish doing this one section, I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp. I need a good oil. I need a good hair oil, y'all. I am still shopping around for something, but I have this Aunt Jackie's Repair My Hair Argan Oil, and this is a thick oil, and I need something to moisturize my hair since I'm not putting a moisturizer on my hair today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my scalp. And then we can start on this next side. Okay. Y'all, I'm excited about this one. Y'all, I'm really speeding through this. I don't know how. I'm getting really good at my wash and goes, because I'm not taking so long. I do my 4 sections, and like, I'm almost done. So y'all, if you don't want it to be frizzy, do y'all see how frizzy this is right here? So all I'm doing is putting extra gel on these pieces that are coming up a little frizzy. And if I give it a little twirl, now it's not gonna be frizzy. And that's just what I like to do, the shingling method for my hair, so that it's less frizzy. And it lasts longer also when it's like that.